Hi, I'm April with Dust Keyboard, and I'm going to show you how to fix a squeaky key on your mechanical keyboard. This is a common problem that tends to occur on the larger keys with the stabilizer bar underneath them. You just need to lubricate that bar, and we're going to show you how to do that in this video. To start, you will need a key puller, a Q-tip, and a small amount of lubricant. We do recommend you avoid using anything like WD-40 or silicone sprays, as they contain petroleum-based solvents that will eat away at the plastic in your keyboard. Instead, try something like a white lithium grease or synthetic grease like Super Lube. To make it easier to get to the squeaky key, first remove the keycaps around it. Carefully release the keycap without pulling it all the way off. This can be tricky, so take your time and be as gentle as possible so you don't damage the key. Push the keycap back so that the stabilizer bar is exposed. Put a very small amount of lubricant on your Q-tip and lightly apply it to the stabilizer bar, being careful to avoid the key switch. Snap the keycaps back into place and you're done.